फाइनली घर आ चुकी हूँ एंड नाउ आई एम गोना बी शेयरिंग विद यू गाइज ऑन व्हाट ऑल आई गॉट फॉर माई बर्थडे। तो स्टार्ट करने से पहले मैं एक चीज बोलना चाहूंगी कि दिस इज नॉट एट ऑल टू ब्रैग एनीथिंग। मैं यहाँ पे कुछ ब्रैग करने के लिए नहीं बैठी हूँ। आई एम नॉट हियर टू शो यू गाइज कि अच्छा मेरे को इतना महंगा गिफ्ट मिला है। मेरे लिए हर एक छोटी छोटी चीज बहुत ज्यादा मैटर करती है, तो प्लीज डोंट टेक इट दैट वे एंड आप इंजॉय कीजिए एंड या लेट्स स्टार्ट। तो सबसे पहली चीज मैं आपको अब एक स्टोरी टाइम की तरह बताऊंगी, तो यू कैन ब्रिंग योर ड्रिंक्स एंड यू कैन वॉच दिस। तो सबसे पहले जब मेरा बर्थडे था तो मैंने जब आपको पहले व्लॉग में बताया तो रात को आई गॉट अ वेरी प्रिटी ड्रेस जिसकी इमेजेस मैं यहाँ पे लगा दूंगी एंड अ वेरी ब्यूटिफुल नेक पीस। सो दिस इज द नेक पीस दैट आई वाज वेयरिंग एंड दिस इज अ गिफ्ट फ्रॉम सीरत। सो ये एक बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल नेक पीस था और ये मैंने उसके साथ कैरी किया था। तो ये दोनों चीजें मेरे पहले गिफ्ट था। आई ट्राई टू लिंक द आइटम्स इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स बिलो अगर मुझे इनका लिंक मिलता है, बिकॉज सिंस दे आर गिफ्टेड सो बहुत मुश्किल है फाइंड करना। सो या दिस इज द नेक पीस दैट आई वाज वेयरिंग अलोंग विद दैट ड्रेस। उसके बाद द सेकेंड थिंग इज अनदर नेक पीस विच इज बाय द इंस्टाग्राम स्टोर ज्यूल्स गैलेक्सी। नाउ आई कैन लिंक दिस इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स below, so I'll link their Instagram store. You can check their variety out. It's amazing. So this is a very pretty layering neck piece from Jules Galaxy and this is gifted to me by Seerat. एंड उसका बहुत ही ज़्यादा क्रिएटिव आप कह सकते हो। इट वॉज वेरी डिफरेंट, इट वॉज वेरी यूनिक बिकॉज वो बहुत छोटी है। सिंस शी गिफ्टेड मी दीज टू नेक पीसेज एंड आई वॉज शॉर्ट ऑफ देम, सो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी। सो थैंक यू सो मच। आफ्टर दैट मैं आपके साथ शेयर करना चाहूंगी कि जब मैं उठी थी देन आई वॉज वेयरिंग दैट ब्यूटिफुल white dress. I'll stick the pictures here again. So that white dress was gifted to me by my Taya ji. It was a very beautiful dress, very heavy layered dress. So thank you so much. मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी. So now after that let's start with the next item. So this is, let's start with this. So this is a very pretty सा holographic pouch. Now इसका एक story time है. I really love holographic things. मतलब recently it is an obsession. बहुत ज़्यादा मेरा मन था that I would get something that is holographic. So this is by Hamster London and I am absolutely in love with it. It is a very spacious pouch. You can use it as a makeup pouch और कुछ भी. So this is gifted to me by Simran and इसके बाद I will show you this. Okay. So this is a very pretty sling bag by UCB and I'm absolutely in love with this. Sling मेरे bags के obsession सबको पता है. So I'm very 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 happy with this beautiful सा sling bag and yeah, I'll also show you guys how spacious it is. So it has 2 compartments which is a very big deal and yeah, I'm absolutely in love with this. The detailing and everything is just so amazing. The next thing that I received was this beautiful सा मेकअप बॉक्स. नाउ नायका इज ऑल अबाउट मेकअप. तो जैसे ही मैंने देखा था मुझे पता लग गया था कुछ ना कुछ मेकअप का ही होगा, बट इट हैड अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स अदर देन मेकअप एज वेल बिकॉज एज यू नो नायका पे काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें और भी होती हैं बट इज़ मेनली पॉपुलर फॉर मेकअप. सो ये मुझे ऐसे ही बॉक्स में आया था. मैं आपको बॉक्सेस के थ्रू ही लेके जा रही हूँ. ओके, सो फर्स्ट थिंग वाज दिस. नाउ दिस इज अ वेरी नाइस parfum by Nykaa and guys इसकी fragrance it has my heart. बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छी fragrance है. I definitely suggest you to try this one out. It's just so nice because अगर आप ऐसे person हो जिसको mild fragrances पसंद है then you can go for this because I am a person I don't like very strong fragrances and yeah, definitely I really love this. So the next thing was this by Wanderlust. Wanderlust is a very nice brand and they have launched their body butter. Now body butter is a must and मैं अगर आपने मेरी पहले वाली वीडियोस देखी होंगी so I've already mentioned the body butter by Body Shop but Simran gifted this to me. I want to give this a try yet. मैंने इसको एक बार लगाया था and it's very smooth so I would give this review soon. You can follow my channel for that. Okay. Now, इसकी भी एक story time है. If you don't know already, I have a big obsession for lavender color, and I was, you can say I wanted a lavender nail paint, although I'm not much interested in applying nail paints, but still. So this is a very pretty lavender shade by Nykaa in the shade 327. I am in love with this one, you guys. It's a perfect lavender, and I really wanted to have a lavender nail paint with me. Now this is a very pretty matte mini Nykaa lipstick. Now we have already a lot of lipsticks, but a new one. So this is in the shade 50M. This is how it looks like. I am absolutely in love with this once again. I would definitely recommend you कि आप अपने special ones को या जिसको भी आप gift करते हो, give them something that they want. So yeah, this is the last thing from this box, which is Nykaa's Matte to Last Gull Mini Liquid Lipstick. अब आपको अगर पता है, then I already have खूबसूरत and Bombay with me. But this is a shade that I have never ever tried. So she has gifted this to me. And this is also gifted by Simran. So this is in the shade 17 Gull. And this is also a very pretty shade. If you're a person who likes light, pretty nude sort of shades, then I guess you would love this one. I really loved it. Okay, so now let's move to the next things. Okay. Now this is a very pretty pair of heels by Evercupid. Now I'll just show you a glimpse of the heels. So this is what it looks like. Now I already have a bunch of heels with me, but I was searching for a black pair of heels, and that too the fur one makes it a win-on-win situation. So yeah, I absolutely loved this one. Now after this, I have a bunch of clothes from Only. I'll just show you a glimpse. So this was a very pretty neon pullover. You can add this to your outfits and it gives them a swag style. After that, this is a very pretty bodycon dress. And this is a very pretty, you can say a mustard basic top. You can add this to your outfits because आजकल क्या है that basic rules the way. So I guess this would be very handy. और आप ये मेरी upcoming videos में देखने भी वाले हो on how I styled it. Alright, so the next gift was, now इसके पीछे एक बहुत बड़ा story time है. So जब मैं छोटी थी, since then I really like to have these goodie bags on my birthday. Now what do I mean by goodie bag is that these used to have all the junk items or all the items that I used to like at that particular age. तो तब से लेके अब तक मेरा goodie bag एक mandatory gift होता है, एक ऐसा gift होता है जिसके बारे में मुझे पता ही होता है that ये तो आना ही आना है. So yeah, this is the goodie bag. इसमें काफ़ी सारी items हैं जो मुझे अच्छी लगती हैं. For example, Orange Lays, Max, Oats Maggie, and then Pringles and Ferrero Rocher, Kinder Joy. तो काफ़ी ऐसी चीज़ें हैं जो मुझे अच्छी लगती हैं and ये एक mandatory gift है और मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. So yeah, this is another gift. अब इसके बाद मुझे मिली है एक बहुत important चीज़ जिसकी मुझे काफ़ी ज़्यादा नीड भी थी and जिसकी काफ़ी ज़्यादा वांट भी थी, which is ring light and stand. Yes, you're right. I have got a ring light and a stand. I'll leave the pictures here because उठाना मुश्किल है. So I received that and from my dad. It was very important because video qualities को enhance करने का बहुत important चीज़ है ये. So in my upcoming videos you would be seeing that effect of light, and do let me know if you find any difference in the videos. I have clicked some pictures and I already find a lot of difference. So and after this, इन सब गिफ्ट्स के बाद the decoration that is here, I'll show it to you after speaking. तो ये जो decoration है, this has my heart because good decoration makes the whole way round. The entire, the sachet to the satin ribbons to this decoration to the gifts to the the dress that I worn, the neck pieces, every single thing is a gift of my birthday. I cannot thank Almighty enough to have such a good family members who gifted these things to me. After that, even considering that into action, जो आप लोगों ने मुझे इतने अच्छे messages किए हैं, मैं अभी पढ़ी रही थी just and I've replied to I guess all of them. So thank you so much. आप मुझे इतने अच्छे birthday wishes send कर रहे हो. I really don't know how to thank you guys enough. I am very grateful from the bottom of my heart to have such a positive and such a nice fam. Thank you so much once again. And मैं आपको जल्दी से सबसे पहले अपनी डेकोरेशन दिखाती हूँ और फिर मैं आपसे बात करती हूँ. And yeah, by this we come to an end of this vlog. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching what all I did on my birthday. It was a very unexpected, a very nice journey, but I feel like you should never lose your inner child as far as you get older. I would definitely cherish all these moments and I would love to share the upcoming vlogs with you as well. Take care of yourselves. Goodbye.